Okay, so when you get a nonfiction text for the first time, you got to start thinking about annotating that text based on its genre. So that's what we're going to call this genre-based thinking jobs. Your thinking jobs is to preview the text using Power, and two, to use those nonfiction signposts when annotating, and I have that special color coding combination that we're going to use. And doing those things not only to be a good reader when you're thinking about the text, but also so I, as a teacher, can see you're thinking clearly on the text. So let's go ahead and start by previewing why tough times can create better neighbors. So let's go ahead and take a look at this picture right here. There's a caption: Flavia, who is 8 years old, and her mother put a banner reading "Everything will be all right" on the balcony of their apartment in Rome, Italy. So I have a place already. This is recent. This is a couple of weeks ago. Another picture, more people hanging out, hanging some stuff off their balconies or watching outside their balconies. People stand on their balconies during one of the many flash mobs taking place these days in Rome, Italy. Okay. Now looking at those subtitles I have, or subheadings, I have reaching out to strangers. Seems like helping people. Kindness can go viral too. Beyond offering a cup of sugar. It seems like all these titles right here refer to maybe our social distance practicing and how people are becoming better neighbors by them. So now I want to go ahead and start annotating using my color coding techniques, or my annotation codes. So, residents of a neighborhood in Boston, Massachusetts emerged from their apartments for a flash mob on the morning of March 14th. Maybe I don't know what a flash mob is. I wonder what this is, so I'm going to highlight that red for word gaps or words I don't know. And I'm probably going to open up another tab to check out what that means. Flash mobs, and I'll make this bigger here. A large public gathering where people perform an unusual act. Okay, I know what this is. So I'm going to write large public gathering, usually with an act. Some sort. And once I feel like I've got it, I'm going to hit share. Now I'm not going to put like, I don't know this. I'm actually going to seek out what it means. On the morning of, and I'm going to continue. On the morning of March 14th, staying more than 6 feet apart, the neighbors waved to each other and joined in singing the Beatles song "Let It Be." One of the residents is a professional cellist, played for a sing-along "Lean on Me" by Bill Withers. Everyone appreciated the activity, which brought much needed levity and connection. Resident Medina Sanchez said via email, the activity not only brought community members to their feet to dance in the sun, it brought many to tears. Very emotional. Similar scenes are playing out in the neighborhoods across the world quarantined because of COVID-19, short for Corona Disease 2019. Wow, so I'm going to stop here already. This right here is surprising. Oops. Was surprising to me, so I'm going to highlight this color. Did not know the abbreviation stood for coronavirus 2019, or coronavirus disease stood for that instead of rewriting it, and then I'll share. So I think you get the point. I'm going to stop there. So make sure you are showing your thinking on the text as well, digitally.